Can you add nearby friends on Snapchat? Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To add the nearby friends on your Snapchat, you can launch a Snapchat application in your device. Now over here, one setting that you need to do is assure that you have not toggled on the ghost mode. Now, in order to do so, tap on the Bitmoji option that is in your top left corner. Then click on the setting gear icon in the right hand side. Scroll down until you see the option of location over here and tap on it. If the ghost mode is toggled on, make sure to turn it back off. Now once you do so, you can head back from here. In your profile, if you scroll down, you will find your Snap Map. Over here, you will find some of your Snapchat friends. Now, if you wish to add any of the Snapchatter that is nearby, it will be popped up right over here. However, one thing is that if they have ghost mode or some of the privacy settings, you might not be able to locate the user in the Snap Map. So you can check out the user that has toggled on their privacy setting, or you can actually find someone that is already added in your Snapchat. That's it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.